Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix Google Meet camera failed or not working quick steps. So all you need to do is check camera permissions. In Meet, click the camera icon, prompt and allow camera. In Chrome, click the lock icon next to the URL, site settings camera and then allow. Select the right camera in Meet. Meet, more options, settings, video, choose the correct camera from the drop down. Close apps using the camera. Quick Zoom, Teams, Skype, Discord, or any camera app. On Mac, also check Control Center background apps. Refresh Meet Plus, restart browser, reload the Meet Lab, fully close Chrome, all windows, and reopen. Restart your device. A quick reboot fixes many camera busy error. Update browser plus check extensions. Update Chrome. Disable privacy. Add block webcam extensions temporarily. Then retry. Test the camera. Try the camera in another camera app to confirm it works. And that's it. If it doesn't work anywhere, it's likely a driver hardware issue. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you for watching.